Hi, in this video we are going to see what is the tabs and groups and how we can modify, how we can create our own tabs and groups. So I have opened my workbook, and in that, so these are the calls as we previously discussed. These are the tabs. In tabs we have ribbons, and under ribbons we have so many commands, and each ribbons, some of the based on the type that they have separated in groups. Now we will see how we can edit. Say for example, I have, as of now we have home, insert, page layout, all these we have. We wanted to create our own tab, right? There will be one name on based on our choice. We can create a name, and we can add our commands as we see here, commands, right? The same way we can add it. So how we can do that? To get customize our tabs and these groups, we have to go to the more option and see the function. From home, again also file, click on 5, then go to the more and click on the option. Okay, for few people might be option is here itself, but if it is not there, just click on more and you can get that one. So now after clicking on this Excel option dialog box, what we have to click on that? We have to click on the Customize Ribbon. Click on this, and if you observe, we have here home is there, right? Under home we have clipboard as a, we have to click on this. Let me show. So under home we have clipboard, right? Same thing we can see here. Same thing we can see here as well, Customize Ribbon. And if you observe, all these tabs are available here. So we have home, insert, page layout, okay, formula, data, review, view, all these will be, these are the availables. Some of these are the main tabs, and by default few of them check, right? Few of them, two are, you can see there's two are not checked. By default this is the developer and draw, it will not check, but if we need, we can click on that, it will be visible there. Okay, so now we will see that this is the way in our topic, right? Whatever we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss how to view the tabs, how we can rename it. Any tab we want to rename, we can rename it. We can create our own tab, and how to remove if something we don't want, right? How we can remove it. So I'll show you first how to create our own tab. Any of these tab also you can rename. Okay, if I want to click on home and put as Dutch, right, it will be changed to the, as soon as I click, it become Dutch, right? So the same way, if you want, again click on that back, because sometimes it don't makes any sense, right? If you give all these customs name for these main tabs, it will be very hard to find the that is what is in there. But this is the way we can rename anyone. So now we are going to create a new tab. Simply we can click on new tab, click on new tab. We can see that this something got added. So wherever we have selected, the new tab will get inserted right after. So I have to click new tab, and as of now it is showing new tab. By default it comes as new tab. So we can rename it as per our name, whatever we want. So we wanted to make sure that, like, if I want to make copy, okay, just a name as a copy or something, like should be not family. Okay, just click on family, click OK, and if I hit OK, there the tab will get created, but there won't be any command in it. So let's see. You just see, after home we got one tab, but there is no command in it, right? So once tab is created, we have to also insert some command into it. So I'm just again I'm going to the Excel option, custom ribbon, and here I am selecting, and also we can see the new group is there. If you want, we can just leave it, or else we can rename that one also. Okay, if want to select, we can give the some images as well, like whatever we want. We can icon we can give. Okay, now after creating the name and renaming, after creating a tab and giving a proper name to it, now we have to have some commands over there. So these are the commands are there which is the main use, right? Which one you want? Say for example you want calculate, now enter it. Borders you want, you can enter it. Okay, fill color you want there, you can enter it. Okay, so all these will be getting added. Font size, which one is increase font size. Okay, so enough, like 4 or 5 I have added, and let's see, if I click hit OK, I should be getting all these commands available on the our family, and yeah, it's their group. And under this example group, right, we have one this line is available. So it shows that like there is a one group, and if we create one more group, then it will be available here. So this is the how we can enter our tab, and inside that we can enter the commands and we can use it. Okay, another we will go and we will create one more group and see that how it's work. So I'm going to again, I'm selecting my one, and what I'm doing this time, I'm clicking on the new group. So new group got created, and I'm putting rename second group. Okay, in second group I'll add some more command. So I have save as, print area, right? Enough, 3 are I have added. I'm clicking OK, and you just see the second group got created and it's there. Okay, something we wanted to modify in that, so very well we can do, we can go there again, the same option, customize, and if you see the second group, I want to change the order, we can very well change the orders, we can change it. If I want to second group on up, we can do that one also, and the same way we can here we can do. If something we wanted to remove, just click on the remove, it will go there, keep on getting, right? So if I click OK, if you observe, the second group got at the first, and the second that example got second way. Similar way, these are the just for our like example purpose. So if in the case we wanted to remove it, right, so I have added it, I have renamed, I have added it, I have modified that's icon, command and the orders, right? Now how we can remove, say for example I have for our demo purpose I have created, but moving forward I am not requiring, or I don't want that tab itself, right? So what we can do is we have to right click on the tab and click on the remove. Okay, there is one more option is that if I want to only remove one group, right, then I can the same I can do on that, remove it, so it will go up. And if entire tab I want to remove, then I can remove it. Okay, and we can hit OK. If you once I click OK, you just see that it gone, right? So this is the how we can create our tab, we can view our tab, we can create, rename it, we can create our own tab and remove it. Hope you have understand. If you have any clarification, you just put on the comment box, we will try to clarify that. Thank you.